Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the coveted Vineyard Town neighborhood of St. Andrew is this large 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom multifamily house. This house sits on quarter-acre of land. The large side boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, while the smaller side has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The spacious, well-manicured yard offers assorted fruit trees, not to mention the large driveway that can host multiple vehicles. This property has income earning potential, as the 2 one-bedroom flats provides its own entrance and utilities. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.